Hi guys, welcome back to the Bloody Mary Show. Today I was making my daily Bloody Mary and I was like, you know what, I'm going to make a snack board. And then I said, oh, I'm going to do a tutorial where I show you how to make a meat roast. And if you're unsure what that is, here it is right here in the center of my snack board. It's very tasty and it's very easy. First, you're going to start out with a shot glass. Now, today I'm using salami, and the key to this is put it out on the counter like 10 minutes before you're actually going to fold it. It makes the meat a little bit more pliable, and it's easier to fold over. And all you're going to do is just fold it over. Some people do like exactly in half. I don't. I do various sizes so that I can have that like flour effect at the end. And you're just going to lap them over just as I'm doing here. Make sure that you don't have any gaps. And then once you get to the second and third layer, what you're going to see is where I'm pointing right there, where the meat didn't meet from the last layer. Make sure you cover that up with the next layer. This go round, I think I used 12 pieces. The most that I've ever used for a smaller shot glass is 15 pieces, because what happens is it will get too full, and then when you flip it over, it will get messed up. Here's my little mini board. I actually picked these boards up at the Dollar Tree, and I don't have a lot on there because I'm literally about to eat dinner in like an hour. So I just have a couple little things on there. What you're going to do is flip the shot glass over, and I have to give it a little twist so that it doesn't come undone. And voila, there you go. There you have it. Your flour is done. Next, I wanted to add a couple little pieces of cheese. So I'm going to slice my cheese into two different sizes, and I have two different types of cheese here for this little mini board. And I'm really not doing anything super fancy. I'm just going to cut these little squares in half, and I'm going to stack them on top of each other. Next, I'm going to transfer my cheese over from my little chopping board to the finishing board. I'm going to line my strawberries up. I also added a handful of honey roasted peanuts on the side. And then at the end, I am going to add a little bit more cheese and a couple of tomatoes. And that's it, guys. Easy peasy. I'm going to arrange my cheese. I am going to grab my Bloody Mary and enjoy my evening. Thanks for stopping by.